Hello everyone, my name is Matt from Real World Review. Today I will be showing you how to install a tempered glass screen protector onto the MacBook Pro. I would assume that this guide will work for pretty much any MacBook or laptop screen. So we don't really need any tools other than a nice cleaning cloth and possibly some compressed air. So I recommend placing the laptop like shown so you can line up the screen properly. Remember that it is easy to get dust under this tempered glass, so make sure that the glass is really clean. I kept seeing dust fall, so I grabbed the can air to make sure that we can get this screen looking perfect. Make sure you know what side of the glass is what and get ready to install. Peel the second layer and quickly set the glass onto the screen. What I recommend is lining up the bottom corner of the tempered glass with the screen, and then on that same side line up the top corner. This way the glass will not overlap on the other side. There will be a bunch of bubbles, which is normal depending on the quality of the screen protector you bought and how evenly it was installed. Some bubbles may disappear over time, but use the squeegee to push out some of the bigger bubbles. If those bubbles are being stubborn, remember not to add too much pressure. You don't want to crack the glass, and you definitely don't want to break the screen under it. If you did everything right, the corners should be setting down and looking nice. And that's it. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below or on Twitter at MattofRWR. And feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. Also, subscribe to my channel if you want more repair and review videos. Thanks for watching.